Good morning, Internet. Today is foggy and it's still night, so I thought it would be a perfect day to test out a couple of things. One of them is the Insta360 X5's PureView video recording, and I'm comparing it to my old GoPro Hero 4 camera. I guess it will not be a fair comparison, but at least you will be able to have a view of how an old camera is recording and how the new X5 records PureView. Second thing that I'm testing out is the new mic, which is the Mic Air from Insta360. And I just wanted to check it out, how it is in a situation where we're motovlogging. At the moment, the mic is kind of inside my helmet, and I'm just gonna test it out here for a little bit, see how it feels. Do I feel bothered? It's touching my face or not? Obviously, this will depend on your helmet model and your face and where you attach it, but I'm gonna try to see how it feels in this current location. Do I feel it's safe or not? At the moment, there's no wind guard attached to it, so we might be hearing some wind noise, but I do have the noise reduction on. So yeah, we'll be curious to see how the sound will come in the end. So now let's ride a little bit and enjoy the dark views. So today is a chilly morning. It's about 7 or 8 degrees. That's what I saw on the forecast. So yeah, definitely cold rides to work from now on. And I wonder how the sound is and how the image quality is, because yeah, then when the cars are coming, it's pitch black. Obviously you have the bike's headlight, but I'm really curious to see if there's any detail. So what's your verdict on the comparison between the Insta360 X5 PureView and my old GoPro Hero 4 camera? Like I said at the beginning, this is it was not a fair comparison, clearly. But it was just to have an idea of how it would fare. I was pretty impressed with how the X5 captured the images and how clear it was to view. I do think that there was a little bit of overexposure, but that it was to be expected. However, the oncoming traffic lights were not, as glaring as I thought they would actually be. So that is pretty surprising and an excellent performance. Again, the Hero 4, it was just there as a comparison. I was not expecting to be able to see that much because, it's an old camera. It was not made for that. And even the X5, oh, nice crane. Even the X5 has PureView in recent times. In terms of the microphone, I think I was pretty impressed as well. It did a good job of filtering out wind noise. I had the enhanced voice setup, but I didn't have the wind guard on. I do have the wind guard on at the moment, so we can also do a little comparison to see if this is able to filter out some wind noise or not. On that initial recording, we got it was picking up my breathing that morning, and when I was going a little bit faster, was also picking up a little bit of the wind noise. So let's see, maybe this little bit now it improves. I do have the wind guard, like I said. So let's just extend the comparison a little bit. I think I was pretty happy with the performance of both the camera and the microphone. So I guess I'll have that on my setup moving forward. And again, I hope you liked this little comparison and my conclusions. Please subscribe to the channel if you found this useful. Like the video if you found it useful. I'm always open to some comments, some ideas from you, if you want me to do some other comparisons or things like that. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this little ride in this autumn day. Beautiful sunny day. And I love the fact that we can see some of the trees changing colors, and we have some of them around this area, which is great. Again, thank you so much for staying till the end. I wish you a great day, and enjoy the ride.